down Big Road. Today we're gonna make slime.
Today we're making crystal clear slime. First of all, we need some containers. I just bought these from Walmart. It was like $2 for a set of 4. I can reuse them as Tupperware. We need some baking soda. We need some hot water. We need some contact solution. We have stirring sticks. We have teaspoons, half a cup, and we're ready to go. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is we use 1/4 cup hot water. I'll put them all in your bowls if you put them over here. So then we add in 1/2 teaspoon. Here's a half teaspoon.
Look, Lily, there's bubbles coming up.
Half a teaspoon. Make sure it's flat on the top. Yeah, so put that in.
Big bubble.
And use your stick to stir it. Once that is dissolved, it's not cloudy anymore. See, it's clear. That's what we want. Now we can add our glue. Now for our glue, nope, we need 1/2 cup of glue. So you can add 5 teaspoons of contact solution, which is almost just about 1/8 of a cup. Just a little bit under.
Oh my gosh, you took the whole thing out?
Yeah, just by doing that.
And anyways, don't call them viewers, call them subscribers.
Yeah.
So here's some slime.
Ooh.
There's a little bit of liquid left over. You can just throw that down the drain. And then you're left with your slime. So that was the recipe for clear slime. I think if you let it sit for a while, these bubbles will go out and it'll be more crystal clear.
Hey, Mom. Mom's broke. Can I let this drain now?
Let's mix it up a little bit more. Crystal clear slime. There you go. So watch our next YouTube video. We got a bunch of add-ins, some slime kit stuff from Tepsmigo Toys on Amazon. We did a review of Tepsmigo Toys slime add-ins, and we're going to add those in now to make some super cool customized slime.